Treat your skin easily at home with this open pore method. 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Oatmeal is really good for the skin. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1 egg white. Mix time. My favorite part. Great, let's go for a test. Hello MTT, I want to use it. Rub it on our face using cotton. You can do it anywhere on your face. But be careful around the eyes. It smells very good. It smells like cake. Great. Wait 15 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. Let's see the result. Really great. The skin is soft and I feel very good. Can you see? Cleanses my skin. You can save the video and watch it whenever you need. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.